This is another episode of our series, 1 Minute Tutorials, where we show you quick and easy tips to improve your streaming and content creation process. In this video, we're going to show you how to add scrolling text to an overlay in OBS in under 1 minute. First, open OBS and select the scene where you want to add the scrolling text. Then, click the plus sign in the sources box and select text. Next, type in the text you want to scroll in the text box. Here you can also customize the font, size, color of the text in the same window. When ready, go ahead and click OK. Now, to make the text scroll, we need to add a filter. Go ahead and click the Filters button with your source selected. The Filters box, click the plus, select Scroll. From here, you can change the speed in either direction. Let's go with 200. You can do a loop. You can control the limit of the box size, the width, and the height. You're happy with what you have, go ahead and click close. And that's it. You now know how to add scrolling text to an overlay in OBS in under 1 minute. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this one.